Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today's video, what we're going to do is learn how to measure your head for a wig. Alright, especially for companies that only offer online services and for people that live out of state and aren't able to come. Here is something I'm going to show you, a quick way to measure your head for a closure and a frontal. Okay, glueless. Alright, so get a pen down because you're going to want to write down exactly what measurements you're going to need. Alright, so this is really simple. Really simple, okay. First, I would suggest that you get, either you have your hair braided or pulled all the way back. Now, if you have really thick hair, pulling it back is probably not going to work because it's going to be puffy. So what you should do is, if it's not straight, basically what I'm saying, because I have thick hair too, but my hair's straight, so I'm going to put it back. Get a stocking cap and try to get it as flat as you can, but preferably get it in braids, small braids, like 10 braids going back is probably enough braids that you'll need so it can lay flat. Hey, alright, so now that we got that, I just want to show you a quicker way to do that measurement. Take like enough of the measuring tape, put it behind your head. You can meet anywhere and then meet it, and do this in a mirror. Okay, do this in a mirror. See where the measuring tape stops that. And I'm at 21. So that's my head circumference. Alright, that's your circumference. Alright, now we're going to do front to back. Take the front. Bring it as flat as possible. Okay, where your hair ends. That's at 14. Alright, got that. Now to do the nape. From one end of the hair to where the hair ends. Okay? 4 inches. Alright? That was nape. Okay, that's the back of your head. So we got circumference, the whole round of your head. The front to back. Okay, so that lets us know how long the wig should go. And then we got the nape. Alright? To make sure you got enough hair covering in the back. And now we're going to do temple to temple. This is to also let us know where the elastic band should go if you want one. So you put it at the temple and you bring it here. Same as circumference, you just don't go all the way around. Okay? That I got was a 16. Alright? Do it from temple to temple. Yep, 16. So now we're going to do ear to ear, okay? Put it all the way at the end of your sideburn. Oops. It's a lot easier when you have a mirror, trust me. And then go to the end of the other sideburn. This is for frontals. Alright, 13 and a half, okay? I have a lot of sideburn. Alright, and we're going to do this also. Okay, this is for frontals too, just to make sure that the frontal's down. So this is temple to temple, but we're going to do it across near the crown of the head. Alright. And I got like a 16 and a half. Okay, if you can see, from temple, let me do it properly, up until, alright, that was a 15, much better. Okay, and I believe that you are done. Alright, those are the essential measurements that you need for getting a wig, a custom wig created, okay? Especially a custom glueless wig created. Alright, I hope that was helpful. Alright, again, all you need is a wig cap and a measuring tape, and you're good to go, alright? Rewind this, share this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, and let me know what other videos you'd like to see in the future. Thank you all. Take care.